Ever called a repair shop and got stuck waiting and waiting? It's frustrating. That's why more auto shops are using AI to speed up customer service. Think instant appointment scheduling, quick answers through chatbots, and real-time updates on your car's status. With AI handling the routine questions and scheduling, your staff can focus on real conversations and tough repairs. Customers notice right away: less waiting, more information, and a smoother overall experience. Shops even use AI to predict which services a vehicle might need in advance, like maintenance reminders. Parts replacements can be offered before issues get serious. AI helps shops act before problems happen. For repair shop owners, this doesn't mean losing the personal touch. Your team is freed up to go above and beyond. If you're ready to take things up a notch, try out an automated messaging system or a chatbot for bookings. Watch how much happier your customers get when service goes from glacial to lightning fast. Reach out today to America's best shops, and we'll get you started with a professional AI system.